Weight loss is a big topic. I have a question on my mind today, and I just wanted to hop on and give you guys some kind of like a Wednesday wisdom type of video. And, weight loss is a big topic. When people think about going vegan, I think one of the first things they think about is weight loss and losing weight. And I just wanted to come on and talk about the fact that veganism is not a diet, it's a lifestyle. I'm really, really happy for all of the people who have lost a lot of weight going vegan. You definitely have a lot of people who are able to do that, but there's another side of it too. There's all of the pasta and the rice and potatoes that you can eat. There's vegan butter, Oreos are vegan. So there are a lot of people that go vegan and either stay the same size or actually gain weight. So I just wanted to come on and talk about that and say that men, women, we come in all shapes and sizes, and there are many benefits to going vegan, 100%. If you watched the last video, I talk about, the things that happened to me the first 30 days that I went vegan. I want to put that out there because there might be someone who is thinking about going vegan or they've gone vegan and they can relate to some of the same things that I'm talking about. And it's a support thing. It kind of gives them that extra encouragement or extra support to know that someone else has had the same experience as they have. It's definitely not like a commercial for veganism to say you need to go vegan so you can quit smoking, because there's a lot of vegans who smoke. It just happens to be that was my experience, that I had tried to quit smoking for so many years, and when I went vegan, I had quit smoking right before I went vegan, and that actually did it, So if it happened to me, it can happen to someone else, right? I think we can all agree that whether you go vegan for the animals or for your health or for the environment, or all three, which is definitely possible, we can all agree that going vegan is a good idea, and we can all support each other and not knock each other down for going vegan for one reason or the other. I also wanted to say that we need to, do our community justice by sharing our thoughts, using our voice and talking about our experiences going vegan. So let me know, what your experience has been going vegan, and if you're considering, being a little bit more vocal with your experience, go for it. Start a YouTube channel or just talk to your friends about it and your family. Maybe do some posts on Facebook or Instagram and share your journey and talk about what you're doing. I just wanted to give you guys that little bit of Wednesday wisdom. And if you have any questions, let me know. As always, I'm on Instagram and Facebook if you want to check out what I'm doing there. You can always email me. The email address is shawnte@naturalveganmama.com. I'm happy to answer any questions you have about going vegan, and I'll see you in the next video.